se sulfana o le nei tai au fou. Ba ta lo fa spo yo tu sunga fa ya onga. Ia nga sai leo malu matua male sa so tsunu lo ma wale ma noe. Sila ma mai ai le sona mo. Pasalanga mo le sona mo alo ma fana wa se sa so tsunu. Alo fa ya ni malo lo ngai tsunu ai nga ona ole tulanga le fa mai lo pesis o lo ye pui nga tsunu se sa so tsunu. Lo fa malo se fu malo langi ma. Today our lesson for today is for year 8 and it's maths for year 8. Our topic is surface area of cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. Right, the key words here are surface area and cylinder. We're going to define these words first. Surface area is the total area of all the shapes in a solid that contains in a solid. Surface area is the total area of all the shapes in a solid, and cylinder is a circular prism solid. Okay, I know every one of you have seen cylinder before, and you have learned about this solid before. O le fa Samoa le cylinder le na awa o mai lalo le singala I samaiti o le afoi o le silinita o se fa ita inga mana ia o se silinita. A very good and very common example of a cylinder you can find at home is a can of tin fish o se tingi apa eleni tingi apa pisupo o le cylinder o se siepi po se soliti fo le la poto ia maniona maona whaapae lua ia pia o le eleni ma le pisupo. Le tele tamaiti. O leo le atatou o e whaile kako cylinder. O ke tamaiti. Ako kilo le i le cylinder. Cylinder looks like this. It has a circular curved part here and two sides which looks like what shape? Circle. The two sides are circles, and this side here we don't know unless we cut it up. Okay, so there are how many shapes in here? 3. 2 circles. Look here. E lua circles here vai atatala. Ona mawaile circles here e lua. Vai. Ia male mea la le se matsato wole tau tsala no ai. Atsato sele ia matsa. E tau tsato fapia, e tau nei lo o tu tamitsi. Le ia le upu e tau ona ave I vaenga ia e lua. Mana tua a tu male ka ko cylinder fapia ona folinga. O lo na winga la ma ai tamitsi. E tsato se ta ua le tu lea ma le tu lea. O fa vai po pace. So the pieces here are circles. And this part here, we call this part the lateral part. Lateral part simply means the side of the solid. We really want to know what this shape is wrapped around in here. Okay, aina tamaiti. Ia lava o tatou tilo nei, ma o tou tilo o tou whanau. Ia la talepe loa la tatou. Tau te fia I loa lava. A o lei, tipi ina le tatou siepi lea. Whamata o le asa I loa. E umane na tipi o ani fōlinga, o le ani siepi. Le tele ele lea le tatou o e whai. Mana tua la. O la fo ile ngoe ave le siepi lea o ngati tonu. O le kako soliti lea. The lateral part. A o le afo ile ngoa o le vaenga I au tafa. Circles. O paces. Okay, ia lea wa umana tipi. Uma e ona tipi. Sa tala I fo. O le ale siepi. O le rectangle. Leite le tamati pati mai tamati tato le sona. Le leite o lona winga la. E falling a mai la fa piele. Le net wa ilo fo ile net. Na. E fa pieni falling a pa aya o le cylinder ia pe atatala. The lateral part is a rectangle and the pieces are circles. So the piece here is circle, the lateral part is a rectangle. Let's go back to our topic. Surface area of cylinder. The learning outcome here, our learning outcome for today's lesson is calculating surface area of the cylinder. Afa Samoa, ole atato wesa ili, ngalue, ngasue, yale faina ngalue ai, the surface area o se cylinder. Apio no faya, the surface area, ole tu fata singa, ole tu fata singa uma o area o siepine. Lona winga suele area le siepilea, suele area le siepilea, suele area le siepilea. Tu fatasi mawai lo le me ka o le surface area. Le le te tamaiti. Ma longo ia le ala o le atato woni la e fai. Ai mana tua le o to tamaiti. Ai o to le whanau. E mana o mia le to whalongo le le ia tamaiti. Year 8 students, the formula for finding the area of the surface area of the circle, of the cylinder, is we use the formula surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi RH. Awe te popole, ta te whasolo tua, ia ma malama hai. Tamaiti, te mana atu te whaiwhatasi malakako formula. To find the surface area, to find the surface area of cylinder, we use the formula 2 pi r square plus 2 pi RH. Let's have to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square is the rule for finding the area of these two circles. The 2 here refers to the two circles. The pi r square is the formula for finding the area of a circle. Lona winga lai tang fatia. Ole ali le pito lumai il kako formula. E fata tau I circle sia. Lista ilingo circle sia. O tua lai I 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. A tato weta lepe awo wa ile 2 pi RH. Ni fakakwape le. Ole 2 pi R. Let's go to 2 pi R first. Is it time mai la we 7, ye 6, ye 7. Na eva aya ilia failonga ilia fota fatia. 2 pi R. Letele. 2 pi R is the rule for finding the circumference of a circle. Lela la tsam failo atu. Malongo. 2 pi r square ole sa ilingo area circle ye lua. 2 pi r h ole sa ilingo le ile ole lateral part por pizzo tonu lo tatu siepi. 2 pi r or 2 pi r if I can calculate the circumference. The circumference. Yung sa so fa pelia. O feo so mai lengi circumference. Le tele. Palongo. Manatu wale pito tonu le fa pia. Ata to wolai e fa ta milo fa pia pi falling on sa all cylinder. Ona ta tia mai ai lo pito lungai I. O le length. This length when you wrap it around like this, it looks like the circumference of a circle. Are you following, children? Okay. O le pito lea na ngau whapea, o na mawai lea o le circumference. Circumference is the distance round this circle. Okay. O ina tonu wala leo so mai I 2 pi r. O na whapea lo lea, ai ala le h. H stands for height. Ia whalongo la, lea ua mawalungai I o le 2 pi r. Langa o le circumference. O le pito la lea la fai fa h, fa height po le mawalunga o le kako cylinder. Ia, alongo la, e la e whaoninga mai ka pia, so foi manitatu wanta, I circle, O I circle. O I height. O I lola o le 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Yeah. But I like have a look at this diagram. A cylinder piun satu masani pifapia. A circle here, the sides here, and another circle here. So this part, this line here, or this side here, is the height. Is the height. This part here is the circumference, or the 2 pi r. Okay. Alongola yai, palongola tamaiti. We have 7 centimeter here, and we have 12 centimeter here. The pi. What's the value of pi as decimal? Okay, pi is equal to, let's take it 3.14. 3.14. Okay. Ole a failo la tatunga wenga. If we are tatunga wenga kako formula, we have a formula here. So let's use our formula to find the surface area of the cylinder. Let's go first here. 2 pi r square is 2. What does 2 pi r square mean? It means 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r, and then multiplied by another r. In here, 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r, and then multiplied by the h, which is the height. Okay, let's do our work here. 2 multiplied by pi, which is 3.14, multiplied by r, which is equal to 7, and then multiply it again by another 7 because of the square here. You remember when you square a number, it means you multiply it 2 times. Okay, and then we have the plus in the middle here, and then we go here 2 again multiplied by pi, which is 3.14. And then multiply by r, 1r, which is equal to 7. And then multiply by the height, which is equal to 12. Very good. Okay, so this formula, this one explains this formula. All right. Now we go to the next step. While I am working here, you should also work on your paper. You use a pencil. Try to follow me. All right? We multiply these 2 and then multiply these 2. So 2, 4, 8, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. How many decimal places are here? Okay, decimal places are the numbers at the back, at the right side of the point. Okay, so there are 2 numbers here. So we have 2 numbers here too. And then multiply by 49. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. Plus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. 2 decimal places, we put the points here. And then multiply by 7 multiplied by 12, which is equal to, very good, 84. Okay, the next step. Tilo le mala ungan wenga fa solo le ilalo. Umalua lana fa tele lo la ia lo umainga ia. La fa sipepa avi fo I tu siai fa pia. Ono te si male lua valu. Fa tele lo ia le fa iva. Ah. Okay. Iva ni valu fitu lua tu ule lua tau avere fitu. Iva ni lua spul male valu male fitu lua fulu lima tu ule lima tau avere lua. Iva ni ono lima fa popo le lua wa lima ono. Okay. Alu le fa ni valu tolu lua tu le lua tau avere tolu. Fa ni lua wa valu ma le tolu spulu ma le lua tu le lua tau avere tasi. Fa ni ono lua fulu fa popo le tasi wa lua fulu lima. Very good. So then we add these two. 2, 7, 8, 0, 3. 2 decimal places, we put the points here. So this one is the answer for here. 308.72 centimeters square. Okay, so this answer is the answer for this one. And this one was from this one. Okay? Yes, this is the area of the two circles. And that was why we put them together like this. We put them together and then we calculated in a very simple and very short method. Okay? And then we plus here. Yona 5 ulangan wengo ilekit solea. Aita maitspatia. Therefore, 6.28 and then multiply by 84. Fani valu tolu lua tau abri tolu fani lua wa valu male tolu sepul male lua tau abri tas. O sa o tat fatse lenga tamaitse. Fani valu tolu lua tau abri tolu fani lua wa valu male tasi. Fani lua wa valu male tolu sepul male lua tau abri tas. Fani ono lu ful fa male tas wa lu ful lima. Kita toto yo watu siya kita tungan wen. Fani valu tolu lua. Tuule lua tau avele tolu. Fani lua wa valu. Male tolu wa sepulu male lua. Tuule lua tau avele tas. Fani ono lu ful fa male tas wa lu ful lima. Lapa sao alule valu. E mawal fa valu. Lile tele. Valu. Valu ni valu. Ono fa tuule fa tau avele ono. Tau avele ono. Valu ni lua sepulu maleono wa fia lua fulu lua ona tuule o le lua tau avele lua. Valu ni ono fa valu male lua wa lima sefulu. Papopo fa tasi fo ilia lua ono fitu lua lima. E lua tulanga te simale e tau fo ilana lua tulanga te simale I. Olona winga lata maiti. 5 lua fitu tesimale ono lua centimeter square. Okay. Longola. Olea la watato. Tato wo mai nei la I. Ole atu fatasi lo leo la wa. Nakato fatelo lea. Tolu o valu tesimale fitu lua. Ese la nei le tolu o valu tesimale fitu lua fa popo yai le 5 lua fitu tesimale ono lua iona mawaile o le fa tolu tesimale le tasi ono tau abri tasi tolu ia male valu se kosi yake tatu fa popo ngata maiti o tsu fa popo le tele lua male lua wa fa fitu male ono sepulu tolu tu tau abri tasi valu male fitu su lima male tasi wa sepulu ono tu le ono tau abri tasi lua male tasi wa tolu male lima wa valu ona mawaile o le tali e valu tolu ono tesi male tolu sepulu male fa nona wingala tu sina la tali o le afo le tatonga winga le safai surface area so stemia ke surface area e kaunga fatea to see the S line, capital letter S and capital letter A for surface area, which is equal to 836.34 centimeter square. And this is the answer for our surface area. Okay, let's go back here, children, before I give you your work to do. To find the surface area of the cylinder, we use the formula 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, the 2 here represents the 2 circles. The pi r square here is the formula for finding the area of the circle. The 2 pi r here is the formula for finding the circumference. The h here is the height. So we multiply the area of the circumference of the circle pi the height to get the answer for this side. Le lo lanza to mai I ma so fa mana watu lanza mai ti a ole I a fo ini a ole I tu ala ngal wenga tsenga lwe mai se so fa ya to silia ola fo ile mo o fe fo I basis to la vai ngai ole ilo selenda okay ona basis ya la fo le kawo le picture is tonulia ole lateral part, it's the lateral part. Ole pitolia, ole height, ole lilia, ole radius. Ya fa nga pela le kako value ole by 3.14. Later, matey. Now this time I'm going to give you your work. Te mana o tangwe 5 minutes I mean 5 ya. 5 minutes to fato nunga lea. Find the surface area of this cylinder. Okay, find the surface area of cylinder. So this is our cylinder. Okay, this is what we call, children, the radius. Our radius here is say 8 meter. And what do we call this side? This is the height. Very good. The height is equal to, let's say, 10 meter. Okay. And our pi is equal to 3.14. Before you do your work, what's the formula? What's the rule for finding the surface area? Very good. It's 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Yes, it's a more life I don't want to na. Yeah. Maulay unga fo na tatso leso na tamaiti. So angai tangwe faila ngan benga le na tu tsiro le yai ma e tu va ai o le mea tau ala vai I ia e lo fa o ngali formula le e sa ili ai the surface area le ole kako o le tatu mai ngale tau o le surface area le cylinder atamaiti o le amos pala tele ngol tatu le so na se time o luma ia manu ia tele o to le fanau manu ia fo ina I matu e mesel malo le tsinu o lo mai mo mai pe so fa sala mo onga ma lo fa la lava outside